Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2006 Mazda 6 Classic Wagon, stock reference number 5565. The shape runs from the 7th month 2005 through to the 2nd month 2008. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror faded on the top of the cover. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand taillight, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand taillight. Bumper has a scuff on the right hand side corner. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has 4 small dents, right front door has 3 small dents and a very light fold on the rear edge, right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, climate control type, 6-stack CD player, display screen, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor and the instrument cluster.